People said those who can success is not the one who has goal, but those who has system. I'm a chaotic person. Systematic won't be the word that people describe me. But I believe people can evolve if you do believe what you want to be and take actions. Before I forgot, I must tell you, after a few months of struggling, I finally quit one of the restaurant jobs yesterday, so I could save more time to do my own art and study. I chose this path and there's no way back. Last year, I saw a plant that has enormous roots at the Museum of Manitoba. It's magnificent. Through this plant, I understand we should never only see the surface of all things. There are more effort people put behind the scenes. There are lots of stories are worth our time to know. A mini word searching game I played a month ago, it says, the keyword about 2023 will be miracle, love, connection, and breakthrough. A breakthrough, I really need one. I feel trapped for many years. This year, I keep asking myself, how could I improve my pronunciation? How could I have a better idea on sketch? How could I be more creative? How to become a better person and be a better artist? The answer is always simple. Keep practicing and keep going. What if I'm too lazy but still want to success? Could it be possible? I don't want shortcuts. I want to be a real professional. So, the hard way it is, I guess. The beauty of a good quality stationery is hard to resist. After 2 months of selecting, I chose these 3 Hobonichi journals for this year. For your reference, this video is not sponsored. One for planning my work and career. All the ideas and planning for the sketch, painting, and art vlog will be marked on this cute rabbit journal. And all my own thoughts, daily life planning, such as health or not work-related subjects, all will be marked on the one-piece journal. At the first day of this year, I write down all my goals and planned how to achieve it. It's a bit too aggressive and hard to follow. After these few days of practice, I know I may need to adjust it to become like atomic habit. However, I will still be starting to commit this new system next week. By that time, I will no longer require to work on many night shifts in a week. Therefore, the plan will be easier to follow. There are 5 regular items I plan to do on daily basis, such as idea sketch, painting, learning vocabulary, and reading. After these few days of experiment, I think I need to sleep earlier, so I could have quiet moment in the early morning to concentrate. I'm always a night owl, but while editing my first art vlog, I always woke up at 5 or 6 in the morning without alarm clock to wake me up. I feel both ambitious and calm while I'm working on it. This is the first personal big project that I don't have any partner to do it together. My partner for other projects, Jay, once asked me, "Don't you want to show the world that you can be successful all by yourself?" What she said was a word of shock awakened. I do. I feel nervous and excited at the same time. I know it will be a lonely path, but who knows? Maybe, just like Luffy, I could find my teammate to run this long journey, to dream like a dreamer, to act like a doer. I do hope 2023 will be a miracle year. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to click subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment so I know I'm not alone. Have a happy new year. Let's all reset and keep going.